Hello, family and friends. Howdy, howdy. Today I'm bringing you a small clip from my hotel room on the 23rd floor at the Niagara Falls, and this is how it looks. The one on the left is the American Falls, and the one you see right now on your screen is the Horseshoe Falls, which is partly in America and the other part is in Canada. It is such a spectacular view, unimaginable, and it looks different from different angles. When you look at it from the falls level, it gives you a different view. But when you're 23 floors above the falls, this is how gorgeous it looks like. This is how beautiful. What a wonder of God. What a wonder of nature. Look at the people. They look so tiny from the 23rd floor. Usually the rooms with the falls view in the hotels is these rooms are usually expensive, but sometimes they are on sale. Like if you book them 6 months or 1 year in advance, you get good rates, and it's worth it. I hope you enjoy it, and as I always say, spread love and be happy. Thank you.